Hello students, today we will discuss numerical based on section formula. I will divide the numerical in two categories. The first one, when coordinate of A and coordinate of B are given, ratio is also given, and we have to find the coordinate of this point x and y. Listen, the first type, when coordinate of A, coordinate of B is given, ratio is given, and we have to find the coordinate of this point P, x and y. So we will use the formula x is equals to, if the coordinate of A is x1, y1, and coordinate of B is x2, y2. Then I will use mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n for x, and for y it is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. I will use this formula to calculate the coordinate of the point that divides the line joining AB in ratio m ratio n. And the second category is when coordinate of A and B are given, coordinate of this point P, x, y is given, and we have to find the ratio. We have to find this ratio. Then I will use another technique. It will be based on the same formula, but I will use a different approach to calculate the ratio. So whenever you have the question on coordinate, just see that whether it belongs to either of these categories. If the coordinate of A and B are given as well as the ratio is given, and we have to find the coordinate of this point P, x and y, this is the first category. And the second category, where the coordinate of A and B is given, coordinate of P is also given, and we have to find the ratio. Then we will use another approach. So here we will solve some question. Find the coordinates of the point of trisection of the line segment joining 4, minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. So point A and this is point B. Coordinate of A is 4, minus 1, and coordinate of B is minus 2 and minus 3. This is a line that is joining A to B, and it is trisected. Trisected means it is divided into 3 equal parts. So this is the first, this is second part, and this is the third part. And we have to find the coordinate of these points. Let this is point P and this is point Q. As it is trisected, it means this AP is equals to PQ is equals to BQ. So they are in the ratio 1, ratio 1, ratio 1, as they are all are equal. So equals cancel each other. So the ratio is 1, ratio 1, ratio 1. So in first case, we will find coordinate of P. We will find coordinate of P. I will redraw the diagram. This is A. This is B. Coordinate of A 4 and minus 1. Coordinate of B minus 2 and minus 3. This is the line joining AB, and we have to find this point P. Let the coordinates here is x and y. Now as this is ratio 1, and here 2 ones are there, P to Q and Q to B. So this ratio is 1 plus 1, 2. Now for this P, the coordinates, the ratio are 1 ratio 2. So m upon n, this is the ratio, is 1 upon 2. So I will use the value of m equals to 1 and value of n equals to 2. So using the formula that x is equals to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. This can be considered as x1 y1 and this can be considered as x2 y2. Now m x2. So what is value of m? The value of m is 1. Value of x2 is minus 2 plus value of n is 2. Value of x1 is 4 from here upon m plus n, that is 1 plus 2. Now if I solve it, 1 into minus 2, it is minus 2 plus 2 into 4, 8 upon 3. 8 minus 2 is 6 upon 3. So x coordinate is 2. Similarly, we will calculate y coordinate also, that is my2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. The value of m is 2, the value of y2 is minus 3 plus the value of n is 1 and y1 is minus 1 and it is 1 plus 2. So 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1 upon 3. So this is minus 4 upon 3. So coordinate of P, that is x comma y, so value of x is 2 and value of y is minus 4 upon 3. The value of n is not equals to 1, the value of n is 2. The value of n is equals to 2. So this is minus 5 upon 3. Now we will find the value of q. For q, let this is point A with coordinate 4 comma minus 1 and B, that is equals to minus 2 comma minus 3. And here this is point Q, and let this time the coordinate of Q is x and y. Here it was AP plus PQ. So 1 and 1, 2, and this was 1. So ratio this time is m upon n is 2 upon 1. So formula for x is mx2 nx1 upon m plus n. Coordinate of value of m is 2 and x2 is minus 2. Value of n is 1 and x1 is 4 and 2 plus 1 m plus n, 2 plus 1 3. So 2 into minus 2, it is minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. So this time the coordinate of x is 0. Now we will calculate coordinate of y, that is my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now we will learn a quick method also. For y, multiply this 2 with the y coordinate. 2 into minus 3, that is 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. And 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2 plus 1, 3. So it becomes minus 7 upon 3. So coordinate of q is 0, 7 upon 3. In this way, we will solve such type of questions. Suppose the question says that 2 points are given, A and B, and it is divided into 4 equal parts, and we have to find the coordinates. So let this is P, this is Q, this is R. As they are equal parts, so all are in the ratio of 1, 1, 1. So for P, while calculating P, the ratio is 1, and here we will consider all the 3, that is 1 ratio 3. While calculating Q, the ratio is 2 and 2, 2 ratio 2, that is 1 ratio 1. For R, the ratio is 3 to 1. So for P, the ratio is 1:3. For Q, it is 2/2, or we can say 1/1. For R, it is 3/1. Okay, so we will solve this kind of question using this concept. Now the another kind of category I told you, that when 2 points are given with coordinate x1, y1, x2, y2, and a point is given with coordinate x and y, and we have to find the value of m and n. In that case, we will modify the formula. So the formula is x is equals to mx2 nx1 upon m plus n. Similarly, y is equals to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Now I will divide this equation, the numerator as well as denominator, by n. I will divide numerator and denominator by n in RHS only. So it becomes m upon n x2, n upon n x1. Here also I will divide this m by n and this n with the n. I will solve this later. So this n and n will get cancelled, this n and n will also get cancelled. Now we have m upon n x2, x1, m upon n plus, if it will cancel, we have 1 here. So I will assume that let m upon n, this is the ratio that we have to find, let it is equals to k. This is the ratio that we have to find, and let the m upon n is equals to k. So the formula of x becomes kx2 plus x1 upon m upon n, that is again k plus 1. So this is the formula I will use to calculate the ratio while using x coordinate. For y coordinate, again I will divide the numerator and denominator by n. Divide numerator and denominator by n in RHS. So it becomes y, this m is divided by n, y2 as it is, plus n divided by n, y1 upon, obviously I will divide this m by n and n again by n. So here it will cancel and become 1. This is also cancel and become 1. And as we know, we have to find m upon n. So let this m upon n here also, it is equals to k. So just substitute. So formula become y is equals to k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Instead of m upon n here and here, I will substitute this k. So this is the formula I will use to calculate the ratio. I will explain with you a suitable example. Now consider an example where point A and its coordinate are 3, 5, and this is point B with coordinate -7 and 9. Join the line, and it is divided by a point. I don't know in what ratio, but the coordinate of the point is given, and it is 1/2, 6. So this is the point that divides the line AB, and we have to find the ratio. Okay, so this is x1, this is y1, this is x, this is y, and this is x2 and this is y2. We will use the formula that x is equals to kx2 plus x1 upon k plus 1, where k is equals to m upon n, and we have to find the same value. Now x is equals to 1 by 2. K we have to calculate. X2 is minus 7 and x1 is 3 upon k plus 1. Now by cross multiplication, this k plus 1 is multiplied by 1, so it remains k plus 1, and this quantity will get multiplied with 2. So 2 into minus 7 minus 14k, and 2 into 3 6. So let k to be here, this minus 14k by transposition, here it is c, and this become minus 1. So 15k is equals to 5, or k is equals to 5 upon 15. So this is 1 upon 3. K is equals to 1 upon 3, it means m upon n is also 1 upon 3. So the ratio m ratio n is 1 ratio 3. I will verify the same using y coordinate also. For y coordinate, I will redraw everything. Like a is equals to 3 5, b is equals to minus 7 9, and this is the line, and let this is p. Coordinate of p is 1 by 2 comma 6. This is x1 y1, this is x y, this is x2 y2. Now using y coordinate, that y is equals to k y2 plus y1 upon k plus 1. Substitute the value of y is equals to 6. K we have to calculate. Y2 is 9 and y1 is here, y1 is 5 upon k plus 1. By cross multiplication, it becomes 6k plus 6. 6 will multiply with k as well as with 1. This is 9k and 5. So 6k minus 9k, 5 minus 6. So here it becomes minus 3k, and here it is minus 1. Negative will get cancelled, so k is equals to 1 by 3, and this is the ratio m ratio n. So hope you understand that whenever we have to find the ratio, we will use this method to find the ratio, whereas the regular one we will use to calculate the coordinate of x and y. I will give you some questions to solve it and send it to me before 7 o'clock in the evening. And if you have any doubt, I will send the solutions to you. Okay, thank you.